Mama Sama akwa bombra channel radio. Aha, ye Babada Media. And that's Babada Martina Foam. Na inde Busumi pede ye share the ongoing Sekondi Sports Stadium renovation na oro kodono. Mika the Sekondi Sports Stadium minim there we interest wum papa ye. We interest wum papa ye. Na after 3 years Ghana yam finance minister called parliament no kokade why 80% work concerning the renovation of this stadium no in the Babada Misumako no mako share what is going on there in Tebusia in the Misuma share what I saw today to you na share how are the Essipong Sports Stadium renovation work no oracle but before you share story no mama share there send your first time ebo put me channel video yemambwa now subscribe to this channel subscribe here I don't want to fight to all. Obuama anytime be I drop a new video be our channel radio. Obuama also to make a notification. Like a video we now comment box one so me pacha also chawadin paye na bibi anko do kama. E chawadin ya pacha share video we na efufu nye bin share. Mama fan da sama wa day in day out you always come on this channel to watch my videos. Miss there nyankopon shiro bibiara especially match for more outside USA, UK, Germany, Italy, Spain, Netherlands, France, Qatar, Dubai, Sweden, Switzerland, Belgium, Qatar, Canada, Australia, Brazil, Denmark, India, Norway, and Kuwait. Baby bio bia shebia or support a channel we bia no miss there nyankopon shop is intended ebusuan yele share the ongoing work concern about the Sekondi Essipong Sports Stadium. When him there, the Sekondi Sports Stadium no, and Essipong Sports Stadium no, you seen it purposely for the AFCON 2008. When him there 2008, Ghana yen hosted the African Cup of Nations, and we share stadiums then time Ghana buying all 6 stadiums for that tournament no, na Essipong Sports Stadium no, yeah, one of them. And you know the capacity of this stadium here 20,000 seated. 20,000 Essipong Stadium will offer nimpa 20,000. And so Ghana buying yeah for that AFCON 2008 no. So after AFCON 2008 no, now what handle my the locals there yan shaso and I Ghana buying the Ghana a friend the Sports Authority no there when then one shade though. Now looking at the Essipong Stadium after the government handle over the Ghana Sports Authority no Charlie somewhere 2000 after 12 years of running no you know Uba Ghana had here in Africa your maintenance problem your maintenance culture in into 9 day na stadium no you use keke no maintenance. So somewhere 2021 Ghana ben who there no the state of the Sekondi Essipong Sports Stadium no onye there nimpa babobo ho. So the then sports minister Honorable Isaac Kwame Esiama on 4th May 2020 okoho na okokome say there the Essipong Sports Stadium no one shots there 1 year renovation work wahon. Now what shots there 1 year renovation work wahon. And you know eda omu commission there 1 year ejuma no na osede anka what take a contractor obey ejuma no 12 months. So 12 months there that means 1 year. Instead that the then youth and sports minister Honorable Isaac Kwame Esiama ko hon ma o twa homa day one year renovation work no. It was on 4th May 2021 and it was expected say contractor na obey ejuma we no obey use 12 months na odiaye. In the data me no ye ka say ye another 4th May 2024 in there me decided there Babada Mloko ho now I question there projects na work there one use 12 months no fine year no wo tumi ye yana ebusia drone shots ya na video ya lo share CCI the ongoing Sekondi Essipong Sports Stadium no. In the mukwe ejuma me hu de na wole ye ho ye painting of the roof for top extra top why hu there baby wo white there ash pie na baby there white one. This is ejuma wo ye hu there esuro wo paint dade na wo soro ho no. Onene ejuma me hu there wale ye for now. Nti wo hwe video ni ma hu there afi na wole paint dade na wo soro ho no. And you know, on 17th November 2021, our finance minister, Ken Oforiatta, called Ghana Parliament, the renovation of the Sekondi Essipong Stadium, no. Why a Juma 80%? Why a Juma 80%? And it said November 17th, 2021 to the 4th May 4th June 2024 yeah it's na he ebusia esha how many years now? Sorry, previous me kede 4th May one fan chemi in the date here 4th June 2024 17th May 2021 finance minister kede the Sekondi Sports Stadium no why ejuma 80% wa ho no ebusia nde date here 4th June 2024 and we share this is a Juma oracle concern about the Sekondi Essipong Sports Stadium no inti adena yekade ye use 12 months a year no sisia how many years ni sisia how many years ni adea ye twa nwoma mu de 4th May 2021 no there ye adewe no and consider take 12 months now hwe no. Look, this is the current state of the Essipong Sports Stadium. This is the current state of the Essipong Sports Stadium. A stadium ye boya no eba the whole Ghana na I think na your first stadium takrade the Sekondi Sports Stadium way, Tamale Sports Stadium, Kumasi Babayara, and also Accra Sports Stadium. And 4 stadiums, stadiums here, the body African Cup of Nations 2008 no. Na no we Tamale didn't feel pe. Na Essipong Stadium boy. Or you felt sin ni nyinara. So we Tamale Sports Stadium no fima. Na Essipong Stadium we no oil Felson stadiums in Kenina. In the Sekondi Takadokrum hade ye nye born show baby ara. Black Stars from Babo will have boom because the Essipong Sports Stadium the way you but my bobola. But still there is ongoing works on the projects because in the Mekoya Mehunde still wali a painting no. Wali a painting work no. And we share stance no more. Charlie. One can say video ya le CCI. We share stance no more. Bibia ya basa wo Essipong Sports Stadium wo. Bibia ya basa wo Essipong Sports Stadium no. Share video ya le CCI. Oya ofewa. Adea yekede ye the 12 months the renovations no. Nde from May 2021 to nde June 2024 yeah. How many years now? 21, 22, 23, 24. 4 years ni. But wakede wadi just 12 months pe no de yadewe. And money involved of doing this no now 18 million Ghana cedis. $18 million Ghana cedis. Only Sikard, then Sports Minister, okay, they were here. Honorable Isaac Kwame Isiama. Yeah, but shrimp painful. Western region. You take this region for granted for so long. Because the same year, no, Now Ghana bank de 1 year Accra Sports Stadium so renovation. What shadow ye. The same year na Ghana bank de 1 year Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium. In there, I can say both the Baba Yara Sports Stadium and also Accra Sports Stadium. Why ye my way use CCR Crampo Demi Baba Yara ni Accra Sports Stadium ni na osanya renovations. Na Sekondi Essipong Stadium na no account binu on the up to the won't do baby ara. Essipong Stadium na 2020 May 2020 Ghana bank de 1 year renovation for hono. The same year na work de 1 year Accra Sports Stadium, 1 year Baba Yara Sports Stadium, ni nyina renovations. Bisa ho de obande na otumi ye Baba Yara Sports Stadium Baba Yara Sports Stadium ni de no and also Accra Sports Stadium. Na Sekondi takrade ye de up to the 1 year kra, won do baby. But our finance minister, co-parliament, co-culture there, why 80% work on this project? It's a usha video here, say, is it even up to 20%? Me technical person, but one can say video here, is it even up to 20% work done? We have your own painful already in her. They can stand up and talk for the region, but I think they're also not talking for this region. Your member of parliament for this particular area, they know them. The then finance minister no kade why 80% work on this project. And Kobotuma about us abakase no onto them. Me say there abakase, but nature no what happened. MP for this area, Essipong Sports Stadium area, no. Obaka say, but after that, the finance minister said, why 80% of this project, no. Obaka say, no. After that, what happened? Nothing. You best painful. Don't take this region for granted. Western region kum had the yanso, yes, football, Essipong Sports Stadium. Obey you. Yes, football wo Essipong Sports Stadium. Obey ye. Black Stars wo bobo wo Essipong Stadium. Obey ye. Dan the 20 from wo bobo wo stadium. Obey ye. Azakes wo bobo wo Essipong Sports Stadium. Obey ye. Mediama wo bobo wo Essipong Stadium. Obey ye. 11 Wise wo bobo wo Essipong Stadium. Obey ye. Azakes ladies, what bobo wa Essipong Stadium obey ye. Yes, share painful. One share na this Essipong Stadium ya de bia what that dan. One share na one ye ejuma ni hwe. And we share number of people wale ye ejuma concern about this stadium but like no one do 10. When I wear painting work and one do 10. When I see wale ye this Essipong Stadium renovation work we ekede can workers now won't do 10. You best shame painful. Western region Sekondi takrade. Yenso ye bobo wa Essipong Stadium obey ye. It is about time yan authorities, yan leaders your region had no. Like you should be serious kakra. When you're serious kakra. When you're serious kakra. So is it because of region Hadino? Why is the football and taking it serious and our pedal catcher in there football and taking it serious and but the whole of Sekondi takradekum hade we Sekondi Jendu Parker ye ni park papa bia wo bia ye betum di abobo Sekondi Jendu Parker ye ni park papa bia wo within the Sekondi takradekum we mu a ye betum di abobo and even the Jendu Park crampa question marks wo even the Jendu Park America sisia no crampo question marks wo ye ba hye yempinfo ye wo region hade no one sorry no one kasa no one former region we na development a yenso ye fata no yenye bi. So ebusuya, this is the current state of the Sekondi Essipong Sports Stadium no. In the comment box on so pacho trawadwin per the video that we are seeing right now no oyo fewa projects and ade a yekede the 12 months lay no. See your 4 years new. Your 4 years ni. Nothing has been done. Nothing better. Finance minister to me call parliament wakade why 80% on this project, but we'll share video here say is it even up to 50%? Would they judge it? While let's video we just judge this ejumaya and kofe aye. Yaba share painful. One for and serious kakra. One for and serious kakra. So ebusia, this is the latest update more concerning about this Essipong Sports Stadium and video way in the number in the year number video way in the year number video way. And see, mama find that some wa day in day out. You always come on my channel to watch my videos. Miss there Nyankopon show bibia, especially my show for more bruchi USA, UK, Germany, Netherlands, Spain, Italy, France, Qatar, Dubai, Switzerland, Sweden, Belgium, Qatar, Australia, Brazil, Denmark, India. Mention it, no way. Baby will be support by other media bia. Miss the Nyankopon shop paye. And busia, my fan crowd with more. Sekondi takwade for more Germany, especially one war Hamburg. There's this group called Twin City Group. Now, Twin City Group no, or your people consisting of both Sekondi and Takrade. And I am from the people from the western region, but mainly Sekondi Takrade. This is how you be a base war Germany, especially one of our Hamburg. Now, when you join there, about join the Twin City Group now. Mama on number B na enim paying funding komo. Now one share how base also over to my joining the Twin City Group no. So number between I reach out to pay for year plus 4917937003446. Yang phone number ne bium plus 4917937003446 on the number ebetum nim pemfa wada Twin City Group nano na wankasa na bibianko de kama aha ye babada media na ebusu still babada media yandro na yakwagine credit no ebusuya yagudo a yelutua so far no do no mikogine 10,920 Ghana cedis so far. Make a payment of 4,000 Ghana cedis. That means work about 6,000 Ghana cedis plus. Na drone you training who scale you and say adofo still me pa one child there when you momboa na yentu a drone niskano na yen feel say share in the video ye share or your drone na me share immediate share. Nti busu me so biara de wonboa na drone niskano yentua amount bia wo bia pe de support drone bia no ma sure that also for wonboa bra and my fan that so far when our donate is kano miss the Nyankopon show bia paye there wutumo boa for this drone me de to one nim there wonboa me na me ntono one ways one ska so far miss the Nyankopon show baby bia yi niska fe bia Nyankopon boa no nya times mbong bebre. Yes, aha ya babada media edafufro yebasa share bim ana